QA team was challenged with trying to find another automation tool that would allow us to automate Oracle EBS and possibly be offered as a self-service automation solution. This would allow our delivery teams to create their own automated tests, hopefully speeding up the testing process. We currently use UFT to automate Oracle EBS, however that requires VB scripting skills. Our delivery teams are comprised of analysts and developers, however they may not have time to learn another scripting language. The UFT automation can also take a great deal of time to complete. useMango allows our delivery teams to create automated tests quickly and easily without having to learn another scripting language. useMango simplifies the automation process by giving teams a way to develop automated Oracle EBS tests without having to learn another scripting language. The reusable components make it very easy to build and modify your tests as you work. In most cases, you only need to enter the name of the field or button you're wanting to interact with on the Oracle form. This will correspond with the actual field or button name on the form. Personally, I have very limited automation experience, only using a handful of record and playback tools. But once I understood how the components work and which ones to use, I was able to build and modify my tests within minutes. My favorite useMango feature is probably the reusable components. When I'm telling other people how the automation tool works, I like to describe the components as Lego blocks, or any kind of building block. If you played with Legos, you know the blocks can be combined to build anything. The same is true for useMango tests. However, instead of blocks, you're going to be organizing your components into a test workflow that can be easily updated as the application evolves. I recommend useMango for its easy-to-use interface. There is a slight learning curve, understanding how the components interact with your application. However, most of the time, I reuse the same components while building out a test, which makes it a lot easier. For example, when working with a web application, I'll typically use the web click and web keyboard input components. This allows me to click on web elements like buttons and text fields and then enter data into those text fields. If the application changes, it's easy to add and remove components as needed. In my opinion, the biggest benefit of useMango is that it allows non-technical users to build automated tests quickly and easily.